YouTube family, what's up? What's good? How are y'all doing today? Back with a quick update. Today I will be installing some new mirrors on the truck, and I also will be installing some new weather stripping for the doors and windows because it's all cracked and dry rotted. Let's get into it so I can show you what I'm talking about. All right, YouTube family, here are the old mirrors that are still on the truck. These are the factory 1991 mirrors, and it's time for these bad boys to go. They will not adjust and they fly everywhere while you're driving pretty much. So today we're gonna update that with some new mirrors that we purchased from Amazon. Nice, sleek, black mirrors. And also we're gonna replace these moldings that lock into the windows. These here are dry rotted and very cracked. So today we're gonna be updating everything and we're gonna jump to this video. These are the mirrors I got from Amazon. Let's see what they look like. Not much protection in the box. The mirror is just pretty much sitting in here inside this fabric. So here's what the mirror comes in, besides the box. It's a nice black mirror. And these are the mirrors that came on the 95 through 99 model Silverados. So it's just your basic mirror. It's updated and it's nice. I like that. And we will be installing these today. Also, while I have you guys, I will be showing you guys the new window suite that I ordered from LMC. And here's the window suite. It's black and it's just nice. Fresh coat of black on there. This is the part that I'm talking about that was missing. It just dry rotted and broke off pretty much. All right, guys, let's get into it. All right, YouTube family, I will start this process off by removing this armrest here. Bruh. This old hornet nest, wasp nest, or something just fell out the truck when I moved the door. Yo, this truck is officially unsafe. We're gonna start removing this side view mirror. Then we're gonna lower the window down and we're gonna replace this window sweep right here. All right, guys, as you can see, there are 3 bolts inside of here that needs to be replaced. This bolt right here, this bolt here, and this bolt here. Once you loosen those 3, the mirror will literally just come off. All right, guys, finally got the last bolt off. Now I will be taking off the mirror. There we go. Mirror is off. It's your new home, buddy. Before I install the new mirror, I will be installing the new window sweep. And that is this right here. All right, guys, that window sweep is off. See how that looked? And we will be installing the new one. All right, guys, finally got the window sweep installed. Had to do a little bit of modifications to it. Had to cut the ends off because it was too long. It was coming out to about here. So I took my knife and I cut it down so it'll fit in there where it's supposed to go at with this groove right here. Next, I'll be installing the mirror, and that'll be it. guys, let's compare the old mirror versus the new mirror and the new weather stripping for the window. It's the old mirror here. That's the old window molding right there. Now let's check out the new one. This is the new mirror installed, and it's looking great. It's way better than that old mirror. And this is the new window sill right here. I had to cut it, I had to modify it a little bit to get it to fit, but it's working. Fresh. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Peace!